Okay, I'm going to walk you through problems 9 and 10. This is on the homework, pages 43 and 44. Problem 9 shows you a table, a pattern of number squares. And it asks you how many squares will be in the Wythe pattern. So you're coming over here, and you're seeing what would this question mark be. We don't know what y is, but it doesn't matter. What we want to know is what will the bottom number be no matter what y is. Okay? So I look at these over here, and I look at some sort of pattern. I see that it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 6, 9, 12. Looks like it's going up by 1 here. Looks like it's going up by 3 here. If I look this one to this one, the relationship from 1 to 3 could be plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. But then I look here, 2 plus 2 is 4. So that's not a good pattern. What I eventually notice is that I have a 1 here and a 3 here. The way I could get from 1 to 3 is times 3. So I'm going to put times 3 over here. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. So there's my pattern. It's going to be whatever this number is, which is y, times 3 will get me that. So it will be y to the third. The question mark equals that. So if this number, say, is 5, this is going to be 3 times 5 is going to be 15. Okay? All right, let's go on to the next one. This one's a very interesting problem. Jason was K years old 5 years ago. His father is 3 times as old as Jason is now. How old would Jason's father be in 5 years? On this one, it's pretty complicated, so I want to do for my strategy, I'm going to use a diagram. So I'm going to do like a line here, a timeline. And Jason was K. I'm going to put this as now. I'll put now right in the middle. And Jason was K years 5 years ago. Okay, so I'm going to say this is minus 5 years. 5 years ago, so it's K. That's how old Jason was 5 years ago. And then now, Jason is K plus 5. Okay. And if I want to go further ahead, because I am eventually going to want to go to 5 more years, I would go K plus 10. But let's hold up on that for a second. Let's see what we got here. His father is 3 times as old as Jason is now. So if Jason is K plus 5 right now, well, right now, yeah, now, when his father's 3 times, so I'm going to go like this. So it's Jason's age, K plus 5 right now, times 3. So that's what Jason's father's age right now equals 3, and then parentheses, which is times K plus 5. Now the question is, how old will Jason's father be 5 years from now? So if this is what he is now, all I gotta do is add 5 more years. So we have 3 times k plus 5 plus 5. Now, one thing we haven't done a lot about, when you have a multiplication with a parentheses like this, you times this, times that, and by that. Alright, so 3 times k is 3k, plus 3 times 5 is 15, and then I add my 5. Now I can put like terms together, 3k plus 20. And that is how old Jason's father will be 5 years from now. A little complicated. Hopefully you understand.